Hey, Sneekylinux back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back and I'm not. What does that mean? Okay. This is my final 24 hours on Linux Lite. I know. Been using it for quite a while now. I think it was... how many months? I think we're getting up to 9 months. Been using it for 9 months because my old distro decided to break. And I thought, what do I use? And I went straight to Linux Lite. And it works. It does everything I want it to do. Yes, it has some quirks, okay, like all distros do. They all have their own quirks and idiosyncrasies, as we know, okay? But I just, Linux Lite does work. And I'm going to be sad to see it go, okay? Because I'm moving to another distro now. You know what one it is. Well, you'll see in the next video anyway, okay? But everything I threw at it, it worked, okay? So, Thunderbird works. Firefox works. As you would expect, I can play all my games on it. I can install Simplify 3D and do my 3D printing stuff. See what I mean? Look, I can do anything I really want to do and throw at it, and it works. No problem. Mix works. NVIDIA drivers work. Idea Maker works. That's one of the new ones. Okay, I'll wait for it to open up. Idea Maker works. Oh, it's a new one. Okay, I'll do that later. Idea Maker works. I can do some stuff in here. It's super duper. I love it. Nice. Nice. Everything you could want in a Linux distribution or any operating system, whatever it is, Linux, BSD, whatever, Linux Lite can do the job. But for me, it's time to move on, unfortunately. I'll say the best thing I liked about it, Spotify was by default, but I can get that as a snap now wherever I go, so that's not a problem. But by default, Spotify is there, so I was always a bit cagey about Spotify. I'll open that for you. Bearing in mind, this is the really old drive I've got in here. It's an old Western Digital Green, and it must be about 8 years old. But it's done what I needed to do. And my new installation is completely different. Completely different drives, etc., etc. As you can see, it's taking its time. So while it's taking its time, I'll have a bit of drinkage, as you do. Okay. Sort of orangey, appley, sort of. See, this is what happens when you use a really old drive on really new stuff. Okay, so here's my playlist I normally use. Okay, when it decides to come up. Lovely. It all works. It's really great. It's great. I cannot fault Linux Lite one iota. I suppose I could. Some certain things where the bar don't. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll open Clementine up and you'll see what I mean. So we'll open Clementine up. Just a tiny niggles, but nothing I could moan about really. It's just one of those things, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the other thing. Oh, Clementine's here, sorry. So if I go down here, when I'm start playing the track, sometimes this would get confused. The bar would get confused. Well, there's a way around that. Have the bar there full time. Yeah? But you know me, I don't do that sort of thing, do I? So I'll get rid of that. And we'll close Clementine as well while we're here. Okay? As for gaming, all these people just say you can't game on Linux. Load of old tosh, isn't it, really? So I'll open up my Steam library. As you can see, I've been playing Surviving Mars. Hardcore, you know the bleeding score. Oh my god, I know. There's even some I haven't reinstalled yet, because there's only so many games you can play at the same time, isn't there, really? Also, I play War Thunder by its native client, and World of Tanks, I either use Play on Linux or a script, okay? So all the games I want to play are there for me to play. So it's not that Linux Lite is a bad operating system, it's a fantastic operating system. And if you've got an older machine, I'm not saying like 10 years old, say your machine's 4 years old and you're going, oh, I've only got 4 cores, 4 threads. No, it was one of the cheaper ones at the time. If you put Linux Lite on it, it'll go whoosh, over the top. It'll just do what you want it to do. Now, I'm not going to get rid of this installation. I'm going to keep it, just in case. Because you know what happens when you go to a new system. I'm going to 1804 now, of Ubuntu. Yeah, going back to the Ubuntu. I've installed it already on a Western Digital Black. I'm not going to SSD this time, no. No. We're just going to keep to it. I don't need to, really. It does what it needs to do. I would love to have a nice 1 terabyte M2 drive, but I don't seem to have the money in my bank account at the moment. So what can I say about Linux Lite? It does everything for everybody. Apparently, Steve done a video on a new one today, the new beta. And I haven't watched the video yet. I will do, Steve. Don't worry. I'll get round to that when I finish this one. And yes, I cannot fault it, okay? You cannot fault the distro. No, not one iota. If somebody has a little bit of pain, let me know. The thing that Linux Lite can't do that other Ubuntu / Debian-based distros can't do. Okay, just let me know. So anyway, guys, sorry Linux Lite, I'm moving on. You never know, though. As last time, I may have to come back. Sneekylinux out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.